Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at ordering objects in CorelDRAW. Now here I have some shapes that I've created and modified on my own. So let's say I want to order them. Now technically this came first, followed by this, that, and then the ellipses at the end. Now let's say if I order them, let me just try and place them in a way that I can see each one of them. And then we have this one over here. So if you want to bring the star at the back, so you can see we have this star but it's at the back. There are certain objects, there's certain commands that you can use. So with that star selected, you come to Object, then Order, then you have these options, but mostly you'll be using these four. So the first one you have is to front of layer. Now what this will do is that it will bring the star shape to the very top. So if I click on that, we can see it's come to the very top. It's bypassed the rounded rectangle, the star design over here, and the ellipsis tool, and it came over the top. If you want to take it back, just come back to Objects, Order, and then to back of layer. I need to take it back to that layer. So let's try with this one. Let's try taking this to the back. Object, Order, then. So we have two back of layer and we have back one. Now back one means it will go behind only one layer at a time. So if I click on that command, the sphere has gone behind the star design over here. If I go to that command again, it will go behind the rounded rectangle. Let's see that. So Order, back one again to go behind the ellipsis tool, and if you click back one again, you'll see it go. Where is the Order, back one? It will go now behind. It's behind the statue. The star shape. Now let's try bringing the star shape to the front using the front one command. So again, Object, Order, then forward one. So we're going to select this forward one. You can see it's moved to the top of the rounded rectangle, but it's still behind this third design. So if I want to bring it at the front again with it selected, so I'll select the star, Object, Order, forward one, and it's at the very top. So go ahead and try out with that command. Try and see what will happen. Again, you have to make sure that you've selected the object that you want to align. Go to Object, then Order, then we have this. These are the four main ones we're going to be using: to front of layer, to back of layer, forward one, and back one.